Module of today's tutorial, let us examine forensics analytics. This module is an extension of the target discovery module and looks for anomalous tweets, tweeters, and retweet behavior within a particular tweet corpus. We can launch the module by clicking the View Anomalies button. In this view, you see the top 20 anomalous retweet sequences within a Turkey elections corpus. Here at the top, you have controls where you can filter for different anomalous tweets regarding extroversion, narcissism, openness, etc. If we look at the top rated anomalous retweet sequence, it was for the tweet "Over 3,000 Kurds flee Kobani due to IS attack, are stuck at Turkish borders, not allowed to cross in #Turkey. This tweet was originally tweeted by the user EJMALRAI on September 19, 2014, and was responded to by 72 users, of which we can click into this module to review that information. Now, for this retweet sequence, we see a time bar of all of the retweeters of this underlying tweet. In the beginning, you can see there was a rather dense retweet population. However, later on through the day, there were gaps with other larger retweet sequences. Within this retweet sequence, we have the ability to hone over each individual user and look to see for the existence of bots and or other automated tweet machines. Overall, it was the composite score of all of these tweets that led to it being determined to be the highest, most anomalous retweet sequence. Within each individual user, you'll see on the right-hand side the bot score and ego scores that are derived from the Big 5 personality analytics done on each individual tweeter. If we scroll down, we can see further tweets that appeared anomalous due to their retweet behavior. This visualization and analytics module is particularly useful when trying to validate the credibility of a particular trend on Twitter, because oftentimes trends and breaking news stories can be manipulated by the use of automated computers and or bots. It's important to be able to discern within a retweet sequence or within a event or social media story that's kind of propagating and expanding at any given time, what the actual credibility of that story is, and the forensics module, really powered by the target module, which we use to determine which are known bots and which we believe to be anomalous in terms of behavior, how that'll affect this propagation of a news story or of something else that's being occurring in real time. So this module really pulls together a few different capabilities. One, the target ability, which is used to derive who are bots and who are not bots, but then also the personality analytics and personality insights module, which does an analysis of that individual user's historical tweet information to derive a profile and characteristic on them, as well as some statistical modeling to determine the variance in terms of retweets and retweets between which users that may make that story or that event, that retweet sequence, potentially anomalous and potentially artificial. So that concludes the major capabilities within the forensics module. This module has a lot of interesting machine learning and big data algorithms going on in the background, which we're constantly adapting and improving over time. So As we move this to be a more automated and more proactive module, we'll see the ability to monitor stories and or get real-time notifications on when those stories are being, as those stories are being propagated and increasing in size, as well as the credibility of the story as that's happening.